Hi, this is Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Just listed a new house yesterday, and it made me think about what's one of the big things you should do as a homeowner when we call to book a showing. That is, make sure you're not home. Sometimes homeowners will say, well, is it okay if I just stay and I'll stay out of the way downstairs and I won't get in the road and it'll just be great. But what happens is the buyer just wants to leave right away because they feel like they're in your space and you're intimidating them somehow, even though you're being quiet and reading a book or watching a TV or whatever. The buyer needs all the time they need to see your house. They want to see every room. They want to make their own comments. They want to be honest without you being there because sometimes it just makes everything a little awkward. So, big tip, your home's on the market. Great news. When we call to book a showing, go for a coffee, visit a friend, go to the mall. We'll only be about an hour or so, but give the buyer the time to see all your house. Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. That way you'll be notified every time a new video comes online. Or if you'd like to book an appointment with me to talk about buying a house or selling a house, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.